Hi guys, this is a short video of how to draw an angry cartoon face. So previously I've done a basic tutorial on how to draw general expressions in cartoon form, whereby we touched on angry, sad, and happy faces. But today I'm just gonna focus on how to draw an angry face in more detail. Okay, so let's start. So now I'm gonna draw a set of angry eyebrows. I like drawing really bushy and long eyebrows when it comes to angry expressions. So like this. And make sure you add in that extra bit of curve underneath at the tip of those eyebrows to make it look extra angry. And drawing those big expressive eyes. And I'm gonna make these eyes look slightly downwards as if the character is focusing on something or looking as if he's deep in thought about something. Just gonna cover in the irises. And I'm just gonna add in a really long nose for this guy here. Draw a big mouth with clenched teeth. I'm just drawing multiple vertical lines for the teeth. And there you have a big clenched jaw/mouth. So now I'm gonna add in some extra effects to the face to make it look more angry, to emphasize the anger that this character is feeling. So what I'm doing here is add in little bulges underneath the eyes to make it look like the character is slightly squinting the eyes using the lower eyelids. Notice some people, they squint their eyes when they're angry. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing now. Just add some creases underneath to emphasize it. And then this part is my favorite. Adding in veins to the eyes to make them look bloodshot. So if you want to create the character's face whereby he's, I don't know, drunk or hadn't had a good sleep for a few days and it's just gotten up from the wrong side of bed and he's really pissed off with everybody's around him and his eyes are this scary. Bloodshot eyes, angry face, and there you have it. So I'm now adding some shadings on the sides of the eyeballs just to make them look like they're bulging out a little bit. And now adding some creases underneath the mouth. And then at the tips of the eyebrows to make them look really scrunched up together. And now to draw in those expressive dark clouds or angry clouds as you might call it. So basically just scribble circly lines next to the person's face. The darker the better, the more you emphasize the anger that he's experiencing, and just draw a wriggly trail line that goes towards the person's face, and there you have it.